Get to this modify with directional update TinyGo. Here, I'm going to take that off. And I got the canopy off, completely off. You can see that it has the SD card right there. Amazing how much stuff gets in here, because that's what the whoop looks like inside the flight controller, and this is actually the VTX. So there's the little DVR. Let me get this camera out of here. Oh my gosh, look at all the dirt paint that is made for plastic. Yeah, TinyGo Mod. Finish it up. Yeah. So yeah, it's gonna be a little heavier, I think. And we'll see how it goes. If you're doing a lot of this mod work like this, gosh, this makes it so much easier. Tie wrap from here down and around this receiver. That might do it. Really, I really like that look. Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to do modifying this little TinyGo from GepRC. I'm going to be installing this lollipop antenna, right-handed polarized lollipop antenna. It's a 5.8 gigahertz antenna. I'm going to replace this little dipole antenna that we have on this guy. And also I'm going to take the top plate off and paint it to a bright red so I can find it when it lands in the grass or in the bushes. I can see it. Alright guys, let's get to the video. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, don't forget to check out the affiliate links below. It doesn't cost you any more for the items. It just gives us credit for this referring the sale to you, to the vendor. Alright, thanks again for watching. Let's get to this modify with directional update TinyGo. I'm going to do the voiceover, just kind of talk through this whole process. On the left-hand quadrants, you're going to be seeing the pre and post mod video coming from the goggles, and it's amazing the differences between the two. And what I'm doing now is I'm taking this thing apart using my really cool electric screwdriver, guys. And it's 28-in-1 precise screwdriver. I'll put the link in the description below. I absolutely got the best price that I could find on the market today. Those links are in the video description below. And what I need to do here is definitely get that little canopy off. And once I got the canopy off, it gives me access to everything inside there, a VTX flight controller and the DVR. But my main objective here is to get the DVR and the camera off the canopy so I can paint it. What I'm showing you here is I have the lollipop right-hand polarized antenna. This pad right here, this silicone pad, is a must. When you take off the parts, you can put them right there, and they're all numbered. Look at that. Makes it so easy. So as you're taking screws and parts out, you just put them in bin 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So you don't lose track of anything at all. Again, that screwdriver is such a lifesaver. And yeah, and there is, I'm showing you the screwdriver, why I like it so much, because it's got multiple bits. I got to switch bits, and now I'm going to go ahead and get, oh yeah, I forgot about the demagnetizer and magnetizer. That little square thing was a magnetizer. Getting back to the build and just taking it all apart, guys. But on the left side, you see the differences between the pre-mod and the mod. Notice that the reflection signals coming back to the goggles and recorder. That's quite a lot of them. So you got to buy the Krylon or any kind of special paint that is made for plastic. You got to buy the plastic paint, okay, guys? All right. Let me go ahead and get going on that. I'm going to go out to the garage. All you have to do is paint. But yeah, TinyGo Mod. Let's finish it up. So there it is. It's all painted up, and I'm just getting ready to mount the VTX back in here and the camera. So that's where I'm at. It's still a little wet, so I'm trying to be as careful as I can. I want to fly. I always want to fly. So yeah, there it is. Got that one in. And this one is a different color one. It was a little longer one. So here we are, back in the voiceover left-hand quadrants. You know the routine. You got the post and pre-video coming from the DVR, the goggles on the DVR. And then on the right, you see me working on the little quad after it's been painted. It looks really nice. I really like it. There we go. Oh, this makes my life so much easier having a nice little power screwdriver, guys. It really does. If you don't have one, man, if you're doing a lot of this mod work like this, gosh, this makes it so much easier. Yeah, push this down a little bit. All right, so it's time to put the canopy back on the whoop, and that means you have to hook up all the cables from the cameras and the DVR back to the VTX. So you can see it right there. Went right in, really easy. Easy peasy. Now it's time to put the antenna in there. Yeah, so this little screwdriver really does save your butt. So now it's just making sure all the gummies are on there correctly between the canopy and the frame, and tighten it down. There we go. Like they did right in there. It's kind of tie wrap from here down and around this receiver, and I might do it. Yeah, but really, I really like that look. Yeah, I think this will work best here. Yeah, it should work. I might have it a little too tight. No, I think it's okay. I'll just cut it here and then go from there. Should be okay. No, it's going to be okay. Yeah, it'll be okay. Alright, let's go test. Let's see how it works. So guys, it seems to be working a whole lot better. Yeah,